story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
Hey, what's my fros? It's me, GINAMARIE, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 2 hairstyles that you can do to spice up that normal, regular crown braid hairstyle that we like to do all the time. So before we get into this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button as well as the notification button so you can join the SmartFro family, and let's get into the video.
Hairstyle 1 is a hairstyle that I wore earlier this week, and a few of you guys asked me to recreate it. I'm going to start off with my hair already parted just because it's easier for me to part off camera, but I created a side diagonal part for the section I'll be flat twisting and parted my hair across my forehead about 1/2 inch. Then I'm going to braid my hair in front to give a braided headband look. This is the hardest part about this style. The hardest part about this style is just positioning your hands to get your braids started. But once you do that, it's pretty easy, and I'm just going to braid across. Once I begin braiding that across, I'm going to start flat twisting. As I flat twist my hair, I'm going to take the piece of the hanging braid and weave it into the flat twist. You want to make sure you're doing this hairstyle on moisturized hair so that you don't cause breakage. My hair is moisturized, but I took a spray bottle to dampen my hair so that it's more manageable. So I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side of my head. Like I said, this hairstyle is really simple. All you really need to know how to do to achieve this hairstyle is braid and flat twist, and you can also modify this hairstyle to how you like. If you would rather do braids instead of the flat twist, then you're more than welcome to do that. I am going to take some Eco Styler and place it along the perimeter of the part just so that it can make it a little bit more neater. And then you can definitely sit in this overnight with a hair scarf just so that it is flattened. But I felt for this video, I just sat in the hair scarf for about 10 minutes. And then once I have secured those with bobby pins, I'm going to take some braiding jewelry and place them around to my liking. Again, this is all up to you. You can do more, you can do less, you can do none. It's just up to you. So this is the finished hairstyle. This is hairstyle number 1, braided headband with a flat twist.
There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know?
Hairstyle 2 I wore on Instagram, and a lot of y'all told me to film it ASAP. So I'm going to start off by creating Fulani braids by parting my hair about 1 inch from front to back on each side of my head. And then I'm going to braid back to front and then all the way down. I want them to be skinny, so my section is a pencil width, maybe smaller. And then I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side of my head. Now, if you guys want this to be like really stick out and be perfect, you can definitely do a better job with parting your hair than I did. And you can also do more than one. So I'm going to place some braiding jewelry on these pieces that are hanging just because I really want to bring attention to these pieces. And all the women that I see doing them, they all have like braiding jewelry on it. Some wear beads. It's all your preference, but it really gives this style a nice look. That's really pretty. So for the rest of my hair, I actually am going to do a crown braid. So I'm going to do a deep side part, and I like this look a lot better than just doing down the middle. I feel like my braid comes out a lot thicker when I do it this way. I'm going to place some Eco Styler gel around the edges of my around the part just so that it is flat. And then I'm going to start braiding. Again, these hairstyles are really simple. All you need to do is know how to braid. And I am going to wet my hair just so that it is easier for me to work with my hair and I'm not working on super dry hair. So what you want to do when you do the crown braid is you want to braid around the perimeter of your head. This will give you the halo look and not a Dutch braid look. I also feel like it helps with making your hair look a lot thicker. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to braid all the way back and repeat the same thing and then secure with bobby pins. So once the back is secured with bobby pins, this is the final look. I really like this style. I hope you guys like this style as well. These hairstyles are perfect protective styles. They're perfect for work. They're just perfect hairstyles when you don't feel like doing your regular twist out, braid outs and things like that. If you guys love this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know which one is your favorite hairstyle, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.